Hi, Scott Pohl here with the National Bowling Academy. We're talking about bowling spares. A personal system is the best way to go. What works for me may not work the best for the next player. A lot of ways to attack spares. You can go with a spare ball, you can go with a non-spare ball. The key is typically you want to flatten the shot out and throw it at the pin. The left side, we're going to open towards the left and make sure our body's in the right direction. Vice versa, when we're going for that right side spare, we want to make sure that we're open to the right hand side, going for that side. There's no one correct way to stand for each spare. Lots of different players will stand a few different boards apart from each spare, but they're still going to attack one the same way. So for instance, here we have Haley going for the 7-pin. She stands pretty far to the left, going for the 7-pin, straight down the lane, very far left attack at it. Let's move on to Callie now. Callie stands a little bit further to the right with a little bit more right to left angle going for the 7-pin. And lastly, myself, I'm standing even further right of Callie, but still going in the same direction of the 7-pin. Key thing is, figure out what works for you. Best of luck.